Getting an invitation to a wedding is always a special moment. It's not just a piece of paper, it's a sign that someone values you enough to want you there on one of the most important days of their life. The excitement starts the moment you open that envelope and see the details inside, imagining the celebration to come. It's a grand day out, a chance to step away from the everyday and join in something joyful. You get to dress up, see old friends, and maybe even make some new ones. There's a buzz in the air as you start thinking about what to wear and how you'll get ready. At the heart of it all, you're there to witness two people you care about begin a brand new adventure together. It's a moment filled with hope, love, and the promise of a future. The ceremony is a reminder of the power of connection and the joy of sharing life's milestones. And of course, there's the fun part. Delicious cake, lively dancing, and happy faces all around. The reception is a time to let loose, enjoy good food, and celebrate with everyone. It's a day for celebrating love and friendship, for sharing laughter and making memories that will last for years. Whether you're catching up with relatives or clinking glasses with friends, it's all about togetherness. Naturally, you want to look your best. But it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. The right outfit and a little self-care can help you shine from the inside out. Remember, it's not about being the star of the show, it's about being a happy, supportive part of the background, blending in with the celebration and adding to the joyful atmosphere. Your look should say, "I'm here to celebrate with you, not look at me." It's about respect for the couple and the occasion, and showing up with a spirit of happiness and support. Simple makeup and a tidy hairstyle can work wonders. You don't need to go overboard, just a touch of color, a bit of polish, and you'll feel ready for anything the day brings. Think of it like making a lovely cup of tea. There's a process, a few steps to follow, and a little bit of care goes a long way. When you know what to do, it all comes together beautifully. We're aiming for a look that lasts, from the first I do's to the very last dance of the night. You want to feel fresh and put together, no matter how long the celebration goes on. So let's get our tools ready. Think of it as a fun little project, gathering your favorite products, brushes, and accessories, and setting the stage for a smooth, enjoyable getting ready routine. We'll go step by step, starting with fresh, clean skin, and moving on to hair that behaves just the way you want it to. Each step is a chance to relax and enjoy the process. By the end, you'll have plenty of ideas to help you feel brilliant and radiant for the big day. It's all about finding what works for you and embracing your own style. So get ready to smile for the camera, enjoy every moment, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Let's dive in and make getting ready for a wedding as joyful as the celebration itself. Let's start with the canvas, your face. Before you even think about makeup, it's important to treat your skin with a little care and attention. Think of your face as the foundation for a masterpiece. Every great painting starts with a clean, smooth surface, and your skin is no different. Begin with a good wash and moisturizer. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or leftover makeup from the day before. This step wakes up your skin and gives you a fresh start. After cleansing, pat your face dry with a soft towel. No harsh rubbing. If your skin is dry, use a rich cream. This will help lock in moisture and prevent any flakiness throughout the day. Massage it in with gentle upward strokes to boost circulation and give your skin a healthy glow. If your skin tends to get oily, opt for a lighter lotion. Look for something oil-free or mattifying to keep shine at bay. The right moisturizer will balance your skin, so your makeup sits perfectly on top. Let it sink in while you sip tea or coffee, or just take a moment to relax. Giving your moisturizer a minute to absorb means your skin will be perfectly prepped, and your makeup will glide on much more smoothly. This little pause is a great way to start your routine with a bit of self-care. Next, a primer, a clever base coat that smooths your skin. Primer fills in any fine lines or pores, creating a silky surface for your makeup. It also helps control oil and keeps your look fresh for hours. It helps makeup stay put, so it doesn't slide off or fade away during the day. Think of it as the glue that holds your look together, especially if you have a long day ahead. Use a pea-sized amount, dot it on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, then blend it outwards. You don't need a lot, just enough to create a smooth, even layer. Focus on areas where makeup tends to wear off first, like around your nose or chin. Now for foundation or tinted moisturizer. The goal is to even out skin tone, not to mask your natural beauty. Choose a shade that matches your skin perfectly. Test it on your jawline if you're unsure. A tinted moisturizer is great for a natural look. It gives you a hint of coverage while letting your real skin shine through. If you want more coverage, go for a foundation, but remember, less is more for a fresh, modern finish. Use a damp sponge or your fingers to apply, blending outwards from the center of your face. This technique helps avoid streaks and ensures a seamless blend. Take your time. Blending is key to a flawless base. Blend down your neck to avoid a funny line. This step is often forgotten, but it makes all the difference in making your makeup look natural and undetectable. Finally, a bit of concealer for spots or dark circles. Dab it only where you need extra coverage, under your eyes, around your nose, or on any blemishes. Think of it as your magic wand, just a tiny dot where needed. Too much can look heavy, so keep it light and targeted. Pat it in gently with your ring finger, which is the weakest and most delicate, perfect for the sensitive skin around your eyes. This helps blend the concealer without tugging or irritating your skin. This way, you get coverage without caking on makeup. Your skin will still look like skin, just a little more even and bright. With these steps, your skin will look fresh, natural and glowing, never heavy or overdone. You're now perfectly prepped and ready for the next step in your makeup routine, a truly cracking start. With our canvas prepped and glowing, it's time to bring in some color and personality. This is where your look truly comes to life, and you get to express your style and mood for the occasion. A touch of blush instantly makes you look healthy, happy, and full of energy. It's like adding a gentle flush that mimics the natural glow you get from a brisk walk or a good laugh. When choosing a blush, go for a natural color that complements your skin tone. Soft pinks and peaches are universally flattering and give a subtle, believable warmth. Smile into the mirror to find the apples of your cheeks, then gently dab and blend the blush there. This technique lifts your face and gives you a cheerful, youthful look. For lips, aim for a shade that enhances your natural color. What makeup artists call a My Lips But Better shade. This keeps your look effortless and elegant. Think soft roses, warm nudes, or gentle mauves. These shades flatter most skin tones and are perfect for both daytime and evening celebrations. A satin or creamy finish feels comfortable on the lips and adds a touch of sophistication. It's less drying than matte formulas and gives a soft, pretty sheen. For lasting color, apply one layer of lipstick, blot gently with a tissue, and then add a second layer. This simple trick helps your lip color stay put through smiles, sips, and celebration. Now, for a little extra magic, a touch of highlighter. This is perfect for special occasions, adding a subtle glow that catches the light beautifully. A highlighter adds a twinkle of light to your face, making your skin look luminous and radiant in photos and in person. Dab a small amount on the tops of your cheekbones and just under your eyebrows. You can also add a touch to the bridge of your nose or the Cupid's bow for extra dimension. The goal is to look fresh, radiant, and naturally beautiful, not heavily made up. Less is often more, especially for joyful events where you want your personality to shine through. All these touches, blush, lips, and a hint of sparkle, should work together in harmony, creating a balanced and cohesive look that enhances your features. The final effect is polished, pretty, and perfectly suited for a celebration. You'll feel confident, radiant, and ready to enjoy every moment of the special day. The eyes need gentle definition. A neutral eyeshadow palette is your best friend. Soft browns and creamy beiges are perfect for daytime. Sweep a light shade over your eyelid to brighten. Use a darker shade in the crease for depth. Blending is key, no harsh lines. For eyeliner, a brown pencil is softer than black. Try tight lining for natural definition. Finish with mascara to open up your eyes. Curl lashes first for a big difference. A waterproof formula is wise for weddings. 1 or 2 coats on top lashes is perfect. It's the final touch for bright, beautiful eyes. Let's sort the hair. A good start makes all the difference. Hair washed the day before has more grip for styling. If washing on the day, use mousse or texturizing spray. Drying your hair sets you up for success. For smoothness, use a round brush and hairdryer. Point the nozzle downwards to reduce frizz. For curly hair, use a diffuser to keep curls defined. Fine hair needs a lift. Try drying upside down. Volumizing powder at the roots adds lift. For frizzy hair, a smoothing serum is brilliant. Rub a tiny amount on dry hair to tame frizz. Now your hair is prepped and ready. Now for styling. A simple, elegant style is often best. A low bun is classic. Gather hair, twist, and pin. For hair down, soft waves are lovely. Use a curling wand or straightener for waves. A half-up style is versatile. Pin top sections back. A simple braid can look chic and effortless. Try a crown braid for a headband effect. These styles are beautiful and practical. They keep hair secure from ceremony to celebrations. Choosing colors is like picking the perfect shade for a character. For wedding makeup, stick to neutral, soft colors. Think soft browns, rosy pinks, and warm peaches. These shades enhance features without shouting for attention. Let your outfit guide your makeup choices. Match lipstick and blush to your dress. Avoid eyeshadow the same color as your dress. For daytime weddings, a light, fresh look is perfect. For evening weddings, go a bit bolder but elegant. Your hairstyle should match the event's feel. A sleek bun for formal, soft waves for relaxed weddings. Little things can go awry, but a touch-up kit solves problems. Pack your lipstick for quick refreshes. Blotting papers handle shiny faces. Extra hairpins fix stray hairs. A travel-sized hairspray tames flyaways. Cotton buds clean up smudged makeup. These tools handle mishaps and keep you looking smashing. Ready for anything the day throws your way. And there we have it. Getting ready for a wedding is about feeling good. Enhance the lovely person you are with simple steps. The most important thing to wear is a genuine smile. Your joy for the couple makes you shine. Makeup and hair are just the icing on the cake. Practice your look before the big day. It turns potential worry into fun and creativity. Discover a new look you love. Be a wonderful wedding guest, ready to celebrate. Raise a glass, have a dance, and make memories. It's about love, laughter, and celebrating together. Your own grand finale before the party begins.